The review pane provides a comprehensive overview of all the elements in the file at a paragraph level, including missing elements and citations. It allows the editor to resolve these too. The Update Review icon refreshes the information based on changes made to the file on the right. The red vertical bar here indicates missing information. When action is taken on such a warning, the red turns amber or green. These here are the list of items shown in the review pane. Clicking on each of these will take you to the corresponding location in the manuscript. There are 3 icons here. The first one allows you to add a task to the to-do and assign it to an individual. The second icon allows you to cancel the warning if it is not relevant. The third icon allows you to add a query regarding the missing item. The query will display your name, the query, and its date, with the option to edit or delete it. You can choose from the options under the Mark as drop-down in the Comments pane. You can also choose to make the query global.